What's up, plant friends? Simon here. Welcome back to Plant Bang. So, from my last video, you saw me repot this massive Monstera Deliciosa. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a moss pole using driftwood. And I'm just going to add hints of moss, and then we're going to stake it and remove this temporary one that I made last time. So let's get started. Of course, I have my newspaper here just to make sure my table doesn't get messy. I have my mask on because I live with my grandparents and I want to be extra safe. Sorry if I'm slurring, I just got my braces off and I'm wearing my retainers. And if it's a little loud, we're doing laundry. So let's get going. Okay, so the driftwood I got is from Etsy, from River City Driftwood, and it just came in the mail, and let's take a look at it first. I'm excited because we're gonna make this Monstera climb up and make it feel like it's in its natural element, because Monsteras like to climb, and all the aerial roots will hopefully attach, and this new aerial root is really gorgeous. Okay, let's look at this pole. Unboxing time! Ooh. Oh, okay. Cute. Just gonna put this down. Oh look, they even have like a little nice and thank you handwritten note. It says, "Hi Carlson, thank you for your order. We can't wait to see what you create. River City Driftwood." Love it. I'll have their link below so you can go on Etsy if you ever need driftwood. And then of course, the Monstera I got from Plants and Friends in San Francisco, and the pot from Succulents. Wowza, look at that. How beautiful is that driftwood? So pretty. So when we stake it, don't want to hit my chandelier, it's going to go behind the Monstera, and it's just going to climb, and it's going to be so beautiful. Okay, so let's remove this. Alright. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm going to add some moss, probably like here and there. So let's get started. I have a bag of sphagnum moss, which I got from Succulents up on Portland, one of my favorite plant shops. And they have everything from soil to potting mix to succulent mix, sphagnum moss, everything. I also have some fishing line, which I will use to tie. Oh, it's getting tangled. To tie the moss. First, I'm going to take my fishing line, and I am going to tie it so that it's easy to wrap around. And I'm leaving a little extra so when it's time to tie it closed, it'll be easy to find. Okay, now that my fishing line's tied, I'm going to take some sphagnum moss and I'm just going to like add it to the pole like so, and I'm just going to wrap the fishing line around. Super easy, but it makes it look so much better. And fishing line is great because it makes it look invisible and not as noticeable. And then I'm going to bring it down. There we go. Now we snip it. And there you have it. How easy was that? I'm probably gonna add one more here, just so, because we're gonna put this into the soil. So it's about, yeah, okay. Add one more. There we go. More sphagnum moss. It's cool because it's like already in bulk, so you can just add it. But I think I'm gonna break this apart. Oh, okay. A little messy. It's all good. Alright. So now I'm just gonna wrap this around. Take my fishing line. And secure it. Perfect. Now let's tie it up. And now we snip. How easy was that? And then once the roots start attaching, we'll mist it, and so it has like moisture for the roots to cling on. Okay, how do we attach this to here without hitting the chandelier? I'm gonna scoot this back a bit. That's good. Don't want it to fall. Now I'm gonna remove the old pole. This gave my Monstera time to acclimate. Ooh, okay, let's attach. So I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna like move the pole around so it just opens up the soil a bit. Super easy. Okay, now let's put the pole in. Close it up. Ta-da! Look how simple that was. Look how it elevated the plant. I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can take a look. Ooh, heavy little thing. I mean, how pretty, right? It's secure. The Monstera will climb. Yep, secure. Okay, so when the Monstera starts growing, it's gonna attach to the driftwood. And then I've actually got my mister here, and I'm gonna mist the moss. Just so it looks natural and not dry and thirsty. So we'll just spray, spray, spray. Amazing. What an extra touch to the plant. Totally elevates it. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch today. Let me know if it was helpful. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!